welcome to the Bayou today. Sassycajun here. How's everybody doing? We're doing okay. I am just getting over being sick. Still a little congested, but it's all good. Um, Today I have a replacement box from Templar Pops. I had gotten a mystery box from him, and the Captain America diecast that I pulled, the case that it comes in was cracked. So I reached out to him, let him know, and he sent me this replacement box. So let's see what we have. I'm not even gonna do PPG because I don't have my phone anyway. So, and this is just to be nice to replace the broken pop. So looks like there is way more in there than the replacement pop. First pop is, ooh, Vampire Jack, glow in the dark, Walgreens exclusive. This is a cool pop. I think I have this one though. Alrighty. There is one in a sorter. And then there is, ooh, a poppin' tea. Which I wanted to get this one. I just kept putting it off. So that's pretty awesome. And let's see what's in here. Let's go this way. Yes. Whoa. Oh, my very first Pokemon 10. That's amazing. So now I have something to open on Mad Hatter's Live. That's awesome. I don't know much about it, but it's cool. I know that's I think the 25-year anniversary. One foil Pokemon V-card, 4 Pokemon Celebration, 2 additional Pokemon booster packs, and a code card. Cool. That's awesome. Well, I can definitely say this was a great replacement for sure. You need to definitely check out Templar Pops. They have some great mystery boxes. Never been upset about what I pulled. Always great stuff. Great shipping. It just, things happened with that Captain America. So, but he made it right and sent out some awesome stuff in replacements. So here is the Fred Flintstone, which I have these two. So this is the GameStop edition. And then the t-shirt, which anybody knows, I love t-shirts. So here we go. That's a really cool t-shirt. Yabba dabba doo. Awesome. Thank you, Jeremy. Thank you. I will list them below. Check him out. He does whatnot. He has a website. I'll put the website. I'll put the Instagram. In case you want to contact him, go follow him on whatnot. Templar Pops. Thank you, Jeremy. I hope everyone has a great day. And until next time, les élevons ton relais. Bye.